Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna eat one. That's pretty good. No. Summer gave it to me. Nom, 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 nom. I need to show you something.
Yeah, hello.
Good?
Yeah, we're good.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Have a good one.
This one doesn't have a heat seal.
What?
That's why you can know.
I do have a one. Hello.
This floor is extremely dirty.
I don't care.
I noticed.
My cousin.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh, you're gonna be famous on YouTube.
That's fine.
Why?
That's why. She'll find a way to get you.
I think I showed you yesterday when I was sleeping, or the day before.
Uh-huh. Oh, I made her hit her head because I scared her.
Yeah, asshole. I was sitting there. And
That's okay. Do you know what she did the other day when she was sleeping on the counter?
I don't.
She jumped and kicked stuff
Oh,
because
yeah,
she had one of those dreams where she thought she was falling. She did.
It's actually true. Please, no one's gonna notice.
Nobody's gonna know who you are.
Everybody knows who I am.
Not Kendall's circle of friends.
No one knows. I got her. Got her again.
You know,
Yeah?
we're not gonna be family anymore.
Eh.
Eh.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Bah!
Well, you missed.
Did you just do that to me?
Yes, she did.
She did this. The middle. Then she just did it again.
Talking about. I'm gonna be a famous stripper. You smell like steak.
Steak?
You smell like steak.
What did you have for lunch today, Kendall?
Steak.
Like chicken fried steak or?
I don't know.
Hey, y'all's food must be good. Ours is trash. We
For
get cat
real.
food and you get steak.
I get poop.
Hey, Isaac.
Are you gonna do a handstand? Oh.
You know they say Allen's school has all different type of food places in there.
Alan?
High school. Bullshit.
That's how Poke was. Poke. It's good.
I don't like that anymore.
Oh, I don't know. I haven't been there in a while. Yeah, since I was in middle school.
Move your big face.
What?
Karina, move your big face.
BRB. Be quiet, Isaac.
Who's not your favorite?
Dang, you went from being her favorite for the day to like not.
So fuck you in the face.
Slap it. Slap your mama.
Shit.
It's the kind of sauce.
That's the sauce. Where?
Hot sauce.
Called slap your mama.
Dude.
Please.
Oh, you shouldn't have broke it.
Dallas, right?
Yeah.
Mommy, go back up. Go up. Just like
What's the zip code?
75238.
75228?
Oh, I don't know.
75228? Yeah. I think so.
What? I'm busy doing Isaac and Karina's job right now.
Karina, look.
Ugh,
Karina, look.
do it.
Isaac.
Oh my god. Why y'all have a lot?
No, just watch. Just watch. Just watch.
What?
What the hell?
I'm almost to the top. Bam!
I bet you strippers can't even do that.
Probably not.
Yeah, they can just use their
Dude,
legs
y'all know
up.
this is on her video, right? Talking about stripper poles.
Oh. Oh, that's not good.
Cut it out.
Throw it out.
I went all the way up there.
Pretty sure strippers can't do that. Or you know, what did you say it was? 25, dose 8? You're for real?
Karina, oh my God, you're so.
It got stuck in my retainer. Your asshole.
See you in part 2.